There's one. Oh yeah, good fish. Nice, good fish to start the day. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Nice long fish, just spawned out probably. ZSpec. Long and skinny, just spawned out. Good bite though. In these ponds that are not necessarily super deep is that jerk. There's a fish. Start the day off with one. Hell yeah. We'll start the day off with one on the old nice. Oh yeah. Not a big one, but it is one nonetheless. Nice one on the ZSpec. Hopefully we can keep that going. There's one. We got a fish on, boys. Gotta keep it out of that thick ass grass. Ooh, that's a good one too. Hell yeah, this guy's a fighter. Fighter, a jumper, a biter, mainly is what we want. Hell yeah, good fish to start off. Ah, yes sir. Quick look at this fish. Hit that popper. So shallow. Look at that fish though. Decent one to start the day off. Nice little 1.5 pounder to get started. We're gonna make a cast over there to that bank. There's one. We got one, boys. Can't tell how big it is. Kind of feels like a small one. Hooked a little bit weird, but yeah, not a big one, but it's a keeper for sure. Pretty good fish, actually. Get up here. He choked that sucker. Another 1.5 pounder, 1 pound, 9 ounces. Awesome. Let's get it back in. Smallest one of the day. Saw him eat that one. That's sick. Two pounder. Fish number one, baby. Cover. 6 cents swim jig. It's a 1/4 ounce swim jig with a stroker craw on it. That's what I've been flipping into cover the last couple days. Probably about a 1.5 pounder. See you later, dude. Bass of the year so far. Easy a 4 pounder. Look at that fish, dude. Look at that thing. Yes, dude. 6 cents swim jig with the Stroker Craw.